more than 20 years old application. This is a completely old application. We have converted in Laravel. Check the all URL. Company booking is nothing, and contractors. Also client URL. So arrow booking system. So this is the admin index. So admin login URL is all user is login. So in the modern base application, we converted it old application to Laravel. So come here. So this is our application. Check content design. We have changed it already. Our fleet, all design we have already changed in modern looked. Corporate working, contact us. Also this I have already admin login, so admin dashboard is this. So when you go to the normal URL, so when you hit the login URL, so this is the login URL, this is the sign up, and login URL show you. Just click and like the how much superfast is the application. Just click and check. And superfast mode and the Laravel application, the old PHP version, completely dead application to make the modern application in Laravel. So any changes your application PHP set to Laravel, you can contact me to get better with the highest security implemented. Best of luck. I will provide you the best service ever. Contact me with WhatsApp. The best of luck.